Hey, how's it going? Austin here. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, the fact that the countdown has begun. So we're going to dive into this, what's happening. We're a little ahead of schedule. Going to explain that to you here in just a minute. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. Hey, real quick, I want to give a shout out to Margex. Margex is absolutely one of the best leverage trading platforms out there. I do some leverage trading over there myself. There's a link in the description below. Go give them a look. There's a 20% referral bonus if you use my link in the description below to help you cover costs for fees and things of that nature. So definitely give them a look. A fantastic company, fantastic organization. So definitely check them out. Okay, so let's take a look at what's going on with crypto right now. As of recording this video, hey, we're flat. We know this. We're in this choppy, rough kind of weird period, and you can see it. Like, this is the Bitcoin chart. I mean, we're all over the place relatively, right? I mean, it's just kind of moving up and moving down and everything like that. Well, I think that this is probably one of the best visual representations of kind of where we're at, where we're going to be. But here's what I kind of was leading the video with. The countdown is related to the fact that the Bitcoin halving per rec capital, we're 2 days away. So we were all expecting the halving event to really happen on April 20th. Well, 2 days away from now is obviously April 19th. So, you know, per rec capital, we're a little bit ahead of schedule here. Okay. So the countdown, we're officially in that kind of 48-hour countdown window. And I'll show you this chart here just in a minute. But it's been a month since Bitcoin has entered the danger zone in this chart. That's that tan box. You see that light blue box, tan box, pink box in that upper right-hand corner. That tan box is the danger zone where we had a lot of volatility, and you can really see it. If you kind of pause the video inside of that blue circle, you can see that chop, that consolidation that we saw in Bitcoin. And again, you can really see it here, right? It's the same scenario. By the way, those buy and sell alerts you see, momentum up, that's a buy alert, momentum down, that's a sell alert. That's my trading indicator, giving those buy and sell alerts. It does that for any and all cryptos that you want. Links in the description below if you want to check it out. So 30 days, no questions asked, refund guarantee right there, money back guarantee. So you really get to try it for 30 days, take a test drive for free effectively. And there's a discount code that makes this offer $1 a day. It's what it costs you. So try it. Take a look, take the blinders off, give yourself an added advantage. Know when to buy and when to sell any and all cryptos out there. Get notifications sent to your phone. Buy now, sell now, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to see really, I don't think, a major watershed event on the actual halving itself. I'm not expecting the market to dramatically move in that capacity. I think per historical fact here, if you go back and look on that lower left-hand corner, you can pause the video if you want to check it out. We had that blue box run up. We had that in 20. We have that blue box run up in 24, exactly the same pattern. We had some chop leading into the event itself in 2020. We had that in 2024. We had the halving event itself. You can see back in 2020, there was some movement. If you kind of look in that blue box on that blue circle, the lower left there, but then we entered that pink box, and that pink box is the really kind of the reaccumulation phase, if you will. Or if you look back in 2020, we had really two periods of consolidation for Bitcoin, right? So we consolidated at a certain level right there, kind of at that high 8,000 to 9,000 range, that we moved up in that 10,000 to like high 11,000 range. And that was our trading range, kind of that 7 to 11,000 range over a period of about 4 months or so. And that's what we're going to see happen for Bitcoin, because it plays out. That's what I love about Bitcoin. It plays out. It follows its trends. It follows those just almost to a T, right? And then we had that fun, good time where we have that green box right there back in 2020 going into 21, where Bitcoin went from, 11,000 and change to north of 67,000. And so when does that happen? That happens this year. It'll start in September and October. We'll see Bitcoin start to take off, and that's going to be its run to, from say 65, 70,000, wherever it trades in those ranges, to north of 150, 200,000. That's when it happens. Okay. So we're in that 48-hour countdown timer window. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. I'm actually not in my studio in Dallas. You can probably tell, and I'll show you this. If you can kind of see this, there you go. That's the view out the window. There you go. I am in Dubai. Yeah, down here for Crypto 2049 conference. So that's where I'm at. So thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. I'll see you. We're in the 48-hour countdown. Take care. Bye.